Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter, and now we have to find and open the settings. So let's tap on this icon, let's choose the languages, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. In order to add new one, just tap on add a language. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So we've got plenty of options to choose from, as you can see. So let me pick something, and I think I will pick maybe Assyrian. Just tap on it, and here we can choose the region. So just tap on the one you want to use and tap on done. As you can see, it immediately appears on our list. So now we can go back to our keyboard, and as you can see here we've got two differences. First of all, on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which means that after tapping on it we will be able to change the language. So as you can see now I can freely type in English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can switch to the Assyrian one. Let's tap on it again, and again we are typing in English. So actually this is how to change the keyboard language in this device. Now let me show you how to remove it, because maybe you do not need two different languages. So let's go to the settings, let's tap on languages, and all you have to do right now is simply tap on this edit icon. Now let's tap on the one you want to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. Now we can go back, and as you can see the globe icon simply disappears and the spacebar is empty, so it means that we successfully removed an additional language and we can only type in English. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.